make sure thrust washer is aligned. Alright, you're going to have to hold up on that while I get it aligned. Okay. Now then,
what about the reverse band assembly?
well, we're not to that yet. Place up-end engine gear case assembly on engine gear number 9. Make certain the engine gear thrust washer is lined up properly so that the tail shaft will enter without interference. Lower reverse gear and adapter plate over lower reverse gear and adapter plate. Reverse gear and adapter plate. Where's the reverse gear?
What's the reverse gear?
Reverse gear and adapter plate. See a reverse gear and an adapter plate. Side plate. Shaft. Front end assembly. Reduction gear.
Reverse gear.
Lower reverse gear and adapter plate assembly over gear case. Place reverse gear housing assembly on its side with cover opening up. Install pipe plug into drain hole. The housing drain hole is located on the right side near the bottom of the housing. Okay, this is where we put the band in. So lay this on its side with the drain hole. Here. Place reverse gear housing assembly on its side with cover opening up. Install pipe plug into drain hole of housing. Drain hole is located on the right side. Install reverse.
What? No.
Reverse band into reverse gear housing. Lay it like that with the. Oh, you squirted the one.
Oh, come on, Richard. Okay, now what do we do?
Lower reverse gear and adapter plate assembly over the gear case assembly. So you're going to lower this through there over that. Then we're going to place reverse gear housing on its side with cover opening up.
And we're going to slide the band in the back.
And then install the reverse band assembly onto gear case assembly in the reverse housing.
You ready?
So,
Don't let that fall out. Can't fall out anymore.
what's that?
This.
No, it can't fall out now.
Okay, you ready?
No. Now you have to line them splines up now.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's as far down as it's going to go.
Alright, now lay it on its side.
You got that side?
Yeah.
Mother! Oh, it's getting heavier. Why ain't it going? Wait, it's got to go through. It's got to go through. No, it should go in.
That's it right there.
No, it's not.
Yeah, if you know where that
When I take the housing off, this is the front of the engine?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
Now, we say the clutch plates.
So if the engine's spinning, spin that. Oh, cool. See how it works?
What?
That's the engine driving.
Yeah.
When you put it in reverse, keep spinning, and it reverses this.
So that grips that. And
Yeah,
holds
look.
it.
Are you watching?
Yeah. I see.
No.
Huh?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, now.
Now, which side does that go in? And we got more to that too.
Where's my directions? Okay. Install reverse band assembly onto gear case in the housing. Install the reverse band into the housing. Which way does it go?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. Walk that part up first. You see this? I'm sure it goes.
It has to go that way.
That, so you can get to that gear, or to that lever.
Yeah, this is outdated. 'Cause remember that. We had to screw that down.
Wait, hang on.
This is right, because remember that nut's through there so you can get to it.
Should we take that nut out right now? And then put it in through here? What does that nut hold on?
This. That's on there. This is what you all took out, isn't it? Okay. Keep going.
Oh. This probably binds that into there. That's the same size.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. We got the reverse in there. If removed for replacement, install woodruff key and cross shafts number 60 and install shafts in the housing. Cross shafts. Okay, that's those little levers. Install yoke through cover opening and housing. Place forked arms over pins and operate sleeve assembly number 36.
Oh man, this is trashed.
What?
Let me go rinse this all off.
Now, we didn't put a new seal on this side. You want to wait until you get a new seal? Huh?
Dang it, this is the side that the lever moves into.
We can wait and put a new seal in it. Okay.
Absolutely, if we had to, we can replace what was in the boat, can't we? Or we can replace it here. It starts leaking.
Yeah.
And again, the fluid's never going to be that high, right?
No.
No, that's just for like splashing and stuff.
Oh, we never tightened that.
Tighten what?
The screw collar. I guess you can get to it up here.
Yeah, you got to adjust that later. You adjust that once it's hooked up. I'll read all about it.
Okay. All right. What did it say about that?
I don't know.
Install. If removed for replacement, install woodruff key and cross shafts, and install shafts in the housing. Being careful not to damage the oil seal. Okay. And if removed for replacement, install woodruff key and cross shaft, and install shaft in the housing. Be careful not to damage the oil seal. Okay. I was careful and didn't damage the oil seal. Alright, where's that other pin at? I need it.
What other pin? For the other side?
Yes, sir. And then I need that little yoke assembly.
Hey Marty, you been eating any pretzels? Yeah.
Install it. Being careful that we didn't damage the seal. Okay. Install yoke 63 through the opening cover in the housing, placing forked arms over pins and operate sleeve assembly. Forked arms over pins.
That's gonna be on this side.
This comes out. Okay. Now we're gonna place this.
Why don't you put that down in there and then I'll slide these into it.
Well, it said put them in first, but I don't know why it said that.
You may not be able to see the Woodruff keys then. I don't know.
Hey, Dad, you might want to scoot this back a little bit.
Michael.
Woodruff keys facing
Down. Down.
yeah, kind of like a weird angle.
They coming over here? Am I in?
Yeah.
Okay. Down more. Is that or no? There you go.
Okay.
Okay, so this is gonna go up here.
Install yoke. Push cross shafts into holes. Secure cross shaft and yoke by tightening cap screws and yoke.
Okay, so
I'm gonna tighten these.
what size? Big. Extension.
Yeah.
Howdy, what's his tail?
Half inch, not 16. The stinkiest shoes I've ever
Huh?
You wearing the stinkiest shoes you've ever had, Dad?
Yeah. Can't get that one tightened.
Yep, that smells like the sea fail. Smell it, Dad.
I've smelled it a lot.
What a
I
two.
bet these are metric, aren't they? Michael, please. Back up a little bit. Dad.
Okay.
Thanks. I'm sorry about
Yeah, it's a 34-minute video already.